Also with me, out of Atlanta, Eric Guster, defense attorney.
Eric Guster.
Eric Guster.
Eric Guster.
The case is about reasonable doubt. When people do things like this, they're typically victims themselves, and this man needs help.
Did you just say that?
I did. And the problem that we have, we lock people up in prisons without giving them mental help. And there's so many holes in the prosecution. Murder is all about science, not speculation, not what someone thinks happened. Circumstantial cases are just like puzzle pieces. You have to have all the pieces to fit. If you miss one piece, it's reasonable doubt. In this type of case, when people have business disputes, they file police reports and lie on each other all the time. And with the police officers coming to the house and the phone call that lasted an hour and a half was miraculously over, that is clear evidence that this is bogus. The jury said the evidence is not enough. We told you they're not going to retry him, so he's off the hook. He's free this time. I hope he didn't do it somewhere else.
Eric Guster, one word to describe Michael Jackson's kids.
Confused. Michael Jackson has been normal since he had Bubbles the chimp. I mean, he had giraffes, slept in the oxygen tank. I mean, this guy was not normal since 1982.
Let's go back to our expert, Eric Guster's been following this so closely.
Right, and that's what they needed, someone to say, I got away with murder and I killed her. However, this is a guy who has all types of crimes of moral turpitude. That's the formal legal statement of it. It's a much better day for the prosecution than yesterday, because yesterday it was a train wreck. However, today they have witnesses who are specifically saying the doctor said I killed my wife. And now he's become the hired gun for the prosecution, and it's just saying that. And I think that they are beating them.
Wow.
This is like the episode of Rocky IV when, Rocky beat up Ivan Drago and, 1-2 punch.
There you go.
Yeah, and that's where everybody's looking right now. Inmates will do anything to cut their sentences, so they are not necessarily the most trustworthy people. I mean, they would say Mickey Mouse came and helped this person commit this crime. But looking at the video, it appeared that the motorcycles were antagonizing him.
Right.
They slowed down, and they were surrounding him. For them to cover up such a horrible, horrible group of acts, not just one, but several acts that they knew about, is shameful. It was heartbreaking. This man wanted to save his wife. This man should get no relief. He should be forced to work 120 hours a week to take care of his 30 children. He needs more than time out. He needs some sleep. He needs to go to sleep at night. They caught this young man because he would use his Toys R Us frequent rewards card. Now, speaking of stupid, that's stupid. That's how they caught this guy. Him and his mama. Yeah, $2 million worth of toys. That's a lot of Tickle Me Elmo.